Hello YouTube, this is DIY Rob here with another project. Today I'm going to be working on this fire damage quad that I bought on Copart. I bought it for $35. With fees and everything it came out to $125. So we'll see what we could do with it and if we could get it running. It has a non-repairable title, but that's no problem. What I plan on doing is just making it run. If it runs, parting it out or using the engine and parts for a project. So here's the quad. So this is a 2000, or well, this was a 2018 Can-Am Outlander 570. As you can see here, it was on fire. I've been seeing a lot of these fire damage rebuilds, so I got inspired to do something like that. I don't think this quad would ever be running whole again. Most likely I'm going to use it for parts, like I said, part it out. But the only reason I bought this was because the engine, as you can see, it doesn't look that bad. It's just the top valve covers are burnt off. You can see in there, it's still pretty clean. I made that hole there, I wasn't there. But yeah, it looks to be in good shape besides all this burnt stuff around it. Right now, I'm trying to clean it up, get it all cleaned up and remove the engine and see if I could start it somehow. Maybe by spraying a little bit of carb fluid in there. Since this is a fuel injected quad, I don't know if that would work, but we'll give it a try. Here also is the transmission. It shifts fine. I can move the lever back and forth with no issues. It does roll. I can't get it to go in neutral yet. I just can't see what position it's in. But a lot of these quads, when I see them, these cylinder heads right here are burnt and melted, and this one looked a lot worse in the pictures. That's why I didn't think anyone been on it. I will include a video of how it looked when I first picked it up. Right now I've been cleaning it up, so it looks a little bit better. I still got to get rid of all this crap up here, clean the engine, get it nice and cleaned up and all this stuff removed. This engine looks to be in good condition. I don't know how many hours or miles were on it, but the oil is still almost brand new and there's no water in there, so I don't think they use water to put this out, so that's a plus there. I have to see if the engine will turn. Still, I don't know, but I think what happened was the fire started somewhere up here because the fuel tank is not really, it's burnt, but I don't know, you can't really tell, but the fuel pump's still in there. So we're gonna see what we can do with this guy. All this front end is just trash. All the radiator and wiring is all trashed. But the other reason why I knew it should be good was because the belt wasn't burnt off. It's still there, it's crispy, and obviously it's not usable, but that's a good sign. I don't know about these clutches. See if that's gonna work. We'll have to find out. So I'm just gonna keep stripping it, seeing what I could do with it, seeing what I could part out. Hopefully the engine runs. I may just end up buying another quad like this that's been in a wreck, that's completely unfixable, and swapping everything over and making a good quad. But who knows? There's a lot of projects I have to get to. I don't know if I'll have time for this one. Also, you can see back here, the differential is in good condition. Doesn't look burned. The CV boots are a little toasty, but those could be replaced cheaply. The front differential is also good. But yeah, that's about it. All the damage on this guy. I won the bid at $35. Well, I actually won the bid at $30. They counter offered at $35, so I accepted it. The only reason I did that is because if the engine were to be bad and I can't get no money off of it, I could still get money off the differentials. I could sell them for around like 200 bucks a piece. So there, I made my money back and more. This only cost me $125 out the door with taxes and fees. So just tune in. I'm going to be cleaning it up, seeing what I could do with it, and then we'll go from there.